Graphic 3, a key assignment for about discourse analysis and English language teaching. The answer is teaching can be defined as the process of helping students learn by giving knowledge, skills, and guidance through structured activities. Teaching is not only about explaining materials but also involves planning lessons, delivering instruction, and evaluating student understanding. For example, a teacher first prepares lesson material and objective, then explain the lesson in class using appropriate method, and finally evaluates student tests or assignment to see whether they understand the material. The answer is there are several definitions of teaching. 1. Teaching is imparting knowledge or structuring someone. 2. Teaching is helping students to learn. 3. Teaching is the act of giving knowledge or skills. From the definition, the important points are teaching involves giving knowledge or skills, teaching helps students learn, and teaching requires interaction between teacher and students. Based on this point, teaching can be defined as a structural process where a teacher helps students learn by planning lesson, delivering instruction, interaction, and evaluating learning outcomes. The answer is the main activities of teaching can be identified into three stages. 1. Pre-teaching. Uh, the teachers prepares material, states objective, and design lesson plan. 2. While teaching, the teacher explains the lesson, give activities such as discussion or group works, and interact with students. 3. Post-teaching. The teacher evaluates students' understanding through tests, question, or assignment. The three stage how the teaching is a process of planning, implementing, and evaluating learning. The answer is English language teaching (ELT) is the process of teaching English to students whose first language is not English through planning, introduction, and evaluating stage. This definition is used because ELT is not only about teaching grammar and vocabulary, but also about helping students use English effectively in real communication. Therefore, ELT must include both language form and language use. The answer is method refers to the general approach or principle used in teaching, while technique refers to specific classroom activities. From the theory, teaching method include teacher-centered method, student-centered method, and activity method. Teacher choose method and technique based on learning objective, student needs and learning styles, and times and classroom situation. For example, if the goal is to improve speaking skill, the teacher may use discussion, or role play technique. The answer is in Indonesia, the trend of technique English still focuses on grammar and vocabulary memorization. Many teachers teaching English in isolation without context. As a result, students can understanding grammar but often cannot use English naturally in real-life communication. They may produce grammatically correct sentence but sounds unnatural. The answer is yes. ELT and discourse analysis have a strong relationship. Discourse analysis helps teaching understanding how language is used in real communication, include context, meaning, and function. This is important in ELT because students need to learn not only grammar but also how to use language appropriately. Without discourse analysis, students may know the rules of English but cannot communicate effectively. Therefore, ALT and discourse analysis are closely connected and cannot be separated. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.